To fix Uber Eats not accepting your payment method, follow these steps. First, check if your payment method is valid and up to date. Ensure your credit or debit card has not expired and that the billing address matches the one on file with Uber Eats. Next, verify that your payment method is accepted by Uber Eats. Uber Eats accepts major credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, as well as digital payment methods like Apple Pay and Google Pay. If your payment method is valid and accepted, try restarting the Uber Eats app and trying to place your order again. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check for any pending charges or temporary holds on your account. If you have recently placed an order or had a refund, it may take a few days for the transaction to clear. You can also try removing and re-adding your payment method to Uber Eats. To do this, go to the payment section of the app, select the payment method you want to remove, and then add it back again. Additionally, ensure that your device and the Uber Eats app are updated to the latest version. An outdated app or device can sometimes cause payment issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Uber Eats customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more detailed guidance on how to fix the issue. It is also a good idea to check your email for any notifications from Uber Eats regarding your payment method. They may have sent you an email requesting you to update or verify your payment information. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Uber Eats not accepting your payment method and complete your order successfully. Remember to always keep your payment information up to date and secure to avoid any issues with your Uber Eats orders.